Okay, I have to use text-to-speech for this. Using text would be too much. I use Ibis Paint for this. You can use other art apps, but I suggest it, because of some tools needed to be used here. You will want to open a new canvas and you can set the size you want. You can also put in images for a more real look. Once it's open, you can start drawing. Be creative, and let your mind run wild. Once the drawing is complete, you can add shading to add an atmosphere for the creature. Once everything is complete, you can save the photos in your gallery and open the app Snapseed. You can get it on the Play Store for free. Once it's open, attach your photo and begin editing. How I do it is to set a filter to give the photo a different atmosphere. You can open Tools and go to the grainy film to add an old look to it. There are other tools you can use, but grainy film is best for these photos. You export it how you want and you're finished. That wasn't bad now, was it? I hope you like and subscribe for more videos.